Hello, my name's Amali De Vos, and I've been at the Wonder Woman Retreat this year, and I actually start by saying no words can really describe the experience. You come to these experiences with a little bit of trepidation. You don't know who's going to be there, you don't know anybody else, you don't know what you're going to learn, and it's been so wonderful. It's been challenging, it's been eye-opening, it's been life-changing, and it's enabling me to really realise that my dreams of financial independence in my retirement are actually possible, and that I can do it in the property space. I've been blown away with the resources in the membership, because I've done renovations of my home, and I've actually done a little unit, and I thought I knew quite a lot. But once I started to delve into the boot camp and look at the extraordinary systems that are there and the training and the knowledge, really I realised that I didn't probably know much at all, and that in fact the property that we purchased before we joined was probably not the best purchase based on what I now know. But the wonderful thing is that going forward, I know what has the possibility of making money, because I can see the model, and that's what the School of Renovating provides, is the model of what to do. But also, as a Wonder Woman, I feel like people have got my back. It's Bernadette and Michelle and the team, but also every single person within the group are here, and it's like they want to support you too. They want to see you succeed. So if you've got a question, you just ask. And not only do you get the feedback from Michelle and from Bernadette, but everybody else as well. So there's always a solution, and it becomes less scary. The whole thing becomes less scary and more possible.